Welcome back to another episode of CAD Jungle. In today's quick tip, I'm going to be teaching you how to redefine your sketch plane. This is pretty useful in case you put your sketch on the wrong plane or on the wrong face. Keep in mind though, that if you have a lot of objects in your timeline, if you got too far into your project, you could have cascading failures by doing this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and create an item by using FM Gears. In FM Gears, we have two sketches here. I'm gonna go ahead and eliminate the body. We got sketch 1 and sketch 2. So sketch 1, I want to put on a separate plane. So I'm gonna right click on it, select redefine sketch plane, turn on the origin so I can actually see the visible planes, and I want it to be on that plane. I'm also gonna do this with sketch 2. Right click, redefine sketch plane, select the visible plane, and it's set. And I can go ahead and turn off the origin. And that pretty much covers it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Stick around and I'll see you in the next video.